At this time, I'd like you to click File Edit, and I would like you to build Try2. TRI with the number 2. Up top, you need to put :B and :L. I'm going to put Shift L so it's easier to see. And then in here, you just need to do right 90, forward :B, left 135, forward :L, left 90, forward :L. Pen up, home, pen down. When you're done building that, do File, Save, and Exit. And then test it by typing CS Try2 180 and then do hide turtle so that the turtle's gone. Notice we built a triangle with 100 bottom and that 80 has a gap. I would like you now to keep trying numbers until you find the perfect numbers for a size 100 triangle. You know 80 is too big, you know 50 is too small, so keep trying numbers until you find the perfect size for a triangle with 100 base. Call me over when you got that on your screen. Congratulations on building a triangle.